What's up, guys? So I have a problem. First time I've noticed this, I literally shit my pants because I was going panic as what happened. None of my DRLs or angel eyes or the back tail lights are not working. So after I start the car, it all starts okay, no problems here, but immediately, let me show you, and yeah, this is the lighting system. Stop carefully. And after that, we have here on the dashboard this indicator which tells me that I have to go immediately to a service to take care about this problem. So normal, I go into vehicle information, vehicle status, and after that read the faults. And here it says the lighting system is faulty and you have to go to a service. So what's about this? Because there is something new that I didn't know besides this fault. Watch carefully. Yeah, the power windows are not working. Not even this little tiny thing which had a tiny LED LED here. But all of my mirror adjustments are working properly. Another fun stuff is that, yeah, I don't have a turn light signal and not even the hazards work. The engine on, you still have your screen shield wipers, but not the washers. And something very important, you have your back tail lights on, and pretty interesting, you have the low beam on, but it's only the low beam because the angel eyes are turned off. Okay, so let's go inside because outside is freezing. Okay guys, so fast forward 3 days later, as you can see, all of my lights are working now. Let me show you. So yeah, I've fixed this problem. As you can see here, my light is turning on, all of my windows are okay, the passenger windows is working, everything is working fine now. I found out the problem. It wasn't what I initially thought, but thanks to the YouTubers community and the e90 post, I quickly found out that our problem when this thing happened to you is that a faulty FRM module or the footwell module, and the module itself, it is located here under this plastic part. I cannot show you this now, but I'll show you right here a picture of it, so you can easily recognize it. It's fairly big. It's like 20 centimeters or 10 inches long, and for what I've discovered, I've fried my FRM module, not by coding my car. For that reason, for that fear, I didn't buy myself an interface to code my car of fear of frying my FRM module, but instead I've run with my battery low for a long time and take out and tested it with a battery tester, and I think that low voltage, after I've verified on the web, that low voltage part fried my FRM module. How I fixed it? In my country, and I bet in your country too, or if you don't know some guys who code the car, you can easily go on eBay and you can find their you can search like this: repair FRM modules for E90 and E91 and all the series that have this problem, and you'll be surprised that a lot of BMW series have this problem. And you'll send them to them and your original VIN number, the car's VIN number, and they'll recode it, reprogram it with your car identification number and send it back. So that is what I've done, and the moment I've got my module in, I've just installed it. My mechanic installed it because it's freezing outside now. Today is fine, it's 4 degrees, but when my car broke was almost minus 15 degrees outside, and it's pretty simple to change the module. You just have to take this part off and the panel that is covering the footwell here, and you can unplug it. It's pretty simple. You can find on the web how to dismantle that module. Job was nearly 100 euros completely, with the recoding of the FRM module and the labor of installing it on the car. So hope this video helps. Stay clear of that low voltage on your battery. I did replace my battery, and I will show you, I think, in a new video how I did that and how easy it is to remove a battery from the car. And if you want to replace your battery, I recommend only the original one, and be very attentive of the milliamps and the cranking amps, because we have on our cars is the start-off module, and that requires a lot of power when starting up the car. So yeah, my car is working properly now. I can start the winter with no problems. And after this experience, I'm gonna buy myself the Carly module and see what type of coding I can do, because now I know it's pretty simple to repair this FRM model. As a heads up, you can drive your car. As you saw in the previous part of this video, I've showed you that the low beams were working and the back LEDs were working too, but be very careful that if you don't... Now I have my blinkers on, you see that it's working, and I've showed you they didn't work, and that is very, very dangerous. And for that, I don't recommend you driving your car without your blinkers, even though I know all the hate going on the web about BMW drivers and the blinkers and this inutility stuff there. You know the memes that this stick doesn't work, it's glue or something like this. Okay, I don't care about that. I just want to let you know that I always use my blinkers, and I encourage you to do that, because it's a pretty important thing to let others know about your direction. It's a thing that I cannot drive my car without. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Christmas is coming soon. I don't know if I'm gonna make a new video, because this period is very full for me. So I think we're gonna see ourselves in the next year, 2019. Hope you have a great new year, and happy Christmas, and yes, happy new year too. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to the channel.